I see too many people in spirituality not relating to what's happening in the world as if it has anything to do with them. You have incarnated on this planet, in this culture, at this very time, because it is relevant to you. Everything that's happening in the world is relevant to your own process and your own journey. Being on this planet, being in this society is your journey. And not taking part in it and kind of withdrawing to a spiritual bubble is basically making yourself disabled, and not utilizing all the wonderful opportunities in the world. So we are to go beyond the normal discourse, going beyond the negativity and the criticism, and explore spirituality in the real world.